campers.
We're the Hoovers.
Sorry we can't be there, but we miss you a lot.
So we just wanted to put together a little public service announcement to help you best enjoy your Discovery Weekend.
Yes, we do.
At Discovery Weekend, everyone always has cameras. So that's why tip number 1 is to always be picture ready.
That's a good one, Laura.
Thanks. Hey, your shoe's untied.
Oh. Wait, my shoe isn't untied. Okay, always be picture ready.
At Discovery Weekend, girls always bring their pillow pets.
That's why the next tip is always bring your pillow pet.
It would be unethical to let your pillow pet get dirty.
At Discovery Weekend, it's always nice to show respect to someone. Why not try saluting? Hey, Alimina, how are you doing?
Everyone try it. Salute at someone. Look around and salute.
Salute. They're not saluting.
Kellen, why are you saluting? Look at someone and salute them.
All these people, salute them.
Respect. Oh, look, here comes Sam. Hey, Sam.
My stomach doesn't feel good. Better.
That brings us to our next rule. No farting during Discovery Weekend.
I think the politically correct term is tooting
Sorry, no tooting.
during Discovery Weekend. And the last tip for making your Discovery Weekend fun is that dancing makes everything better.
See? Better.
Everybody just have a good time. And we gon' make you lose your mind. Everybody just